Knock knock. Are you there? Ashwin is here. Welcome guys to our channel, The Intriguing Stuff. In this second video on technical analysis, we are going to see about the trend line. That means uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend, and what is meant by trend reversal. Okay, let's get started.
Guys, what's the trend line? See, for stock, there's always two parameters. One is in downside and up top side. Down is time the stock is seen, and price. Okay, a trend line is a path which it takes for a period of time. For example, we will take uptrend. We will study first uptrend. Uptrend means the line which goes in upward direction. This is uptrend. You can see, right? The line is going in upward direction compared to time. As the time goes, the price also increases. This is known as uptrend. Okay, what is downtrend? The opposite to that, right? But price and time, price. When the stock price decreases over time and goes from lowers value, that means it's a downtrend. Okay, what's the difference between both? You can see this is wait a minute, I will take a pencil. Okay, see, this is the time period. This is the time period. I am splitting it into different time periods. What you can observe that this value can be 1 rupee. Okay, the next time period the value is increased to 2 rupees. That means it's increasing. It's forming a new high. Okay, you can understand? New high. It's forming a new high. Then the next day it's forming in 3 rupees. And compared to a new, it is a newer high formed compared to yesterday, because yesterday's price was 2 rupees, but today's price is 3 rupees. Then that's increasing, right? That's an uptrend. In this scenario, let's take this same as that. We'll split it into different timelines, and this is 5 rupees. That means this is 4, 3, and 2. That means decreasing, right? This is known as downtrend. The price will decrease according to as the time goes on. Okay, will the price always be in a straight line? Do you think so? I don't think so. For example, I will take a big graph. Okay, in this, do you think the uptrend will be like this, straight up, like a rocket upwards? No, right? In stock market, the price will always be volatile. It will increase and decrease. That will not be in a steady straight position. The price increases like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not like that. Instead, it will be moving like this. It will increase, and for some days it will decrease. Then it will form a new high and decrease. Small decrease, it may be increase, then decrease, then it may be like this. Oh no, the new high is not formed. Now what's the indication? Okay, let's understand uptrend in a much detailed way. The uptrend is determined by two parameters, higher high and lower high. Okay, higher high means for this one it's 2 rupees. Okay, and this one is 1 rupee. And this is not a downtrend. Okay, this is an uptrend, but this is not a downtrend. This is known as down move. The small movement in the price is known as down move. Like, see, this is an uptrend, this is a down move, and this is an up move. A trend is comprised of both some up moves and down moves. That's known as a trend. If it contains newer highs and higher highs and higher lows, that means that it's an uptrend. If it has a lower high and lower low, that it means a downtrend. In this 1, 2, and this forms 3. That means it's higher high, right? 3, because it's the highest point after this price. Then it is 3. Then this low is also higher. That's 2.5. Let's take. Then it's an uptrend. when the new eye is not formed, afterwards no new eye is not formed and a lower eye is formed, and it's an indication that it may go into a downtrend, but it's not a confirmatory factor. It can rise like this also, again it can go like this, but in this scenario we will see like this. Now after it is formed, this area, I mean this time is a very crucial and important time. We should see whether the stock price is increasing like this, or it's again forming a smaller eye and decreasing like this. Then it's known as a downtrend, and this change in trend is known as a trend reversal. Okay, trend reversal. Change in trend reversal and trend reversal. How will you determine a trend reversal? That's the important question. Okay, now a smaller eye is formed, and that's an anticipatory thing. I mean, that's not confirmed. That's a starting position of a trend reversal. When a lower eye is formed, I mean lower low is formed, it's a confirmatory one that it's gonna go into a downtrend and it's forming a new eye. It is changing its trend as trend reversal. Okay. If we determine only from this position, we are losing this much of amount in a stock, right? What can we do? For that, we should understand the candles and types of candles. And in previous video, I talked about idea share, right? The share about that MACD, RSI. These are important factors used to determine the change in trend of price, change in price. Okay. Now we understood the up move. Have you understood, right? If you have any doubts, leave in the comment. I will reply soon. Okay. Now, downtrend. The inverse and vice versa of that, right? Small lower eye is formed compared to its lower right, and lower low is also formed. Only then it's a down move. See, both should be in a downward direction, down move. And when a new eye, but not a lower eye, is formed, and not a low, higher low, not lower low, higher low. This low is greater than this low, right? And again a new eye is formed. This eye is greater than this eye, but it's not confirmatory because it is an eye. It is another eye. Let's take H1, H2, H3, etc. This is let's say H11. H11 is greater than H1, but not greater than H2. So it is still forming an uptrend, but not a confirmatory uptrend. If it forms again a high that is greater than H1 or greater than H2, and it's a confirmatory, and it may go into an uptrend. Okay. Okay. Now we have seen uptrend, downtrend, and trend reversal. Okay. Let's see. What's uptrend? Price movement in upward direction, which comprises of down moves and up moves, and which forms a newer high and a newer low. It's known as uptrend. Uptrend. Sorry. And what is the downtrend? And stock price decreasing this value over time, which forms a lower high and a lower high and lower low. It's known as a downtrend. Downtrend. Okay, now let's see sideways trend. Uptrend, downtrend. Sideways trend is like a sideways one. Okay, let's see. Sideways trend. A stock may increase like this, and for some period of time, it may be like this. Then, which in this the sideways trend, because it is not going above a resistance. This line is known as this upper line is known as resistance, and down line is known as support. In next video, I will teach you in detail about that. It will be in a constrained manner, like a tunnel. It will go in a sideways trend, not an uptrend, not a downtrend. In this area, a buying and selling strategy is not applicable because it may break out and form an uptrend. That's a good. Then that will be a good buying strategy. But if it breaks down and downtrend, that it's a sell strategy. If you buy in that, you'll occur a lot of losses. Okay, the strategies behind it. Let's see. In uptrend, if you buy in this area and if you sell in this area, that means 1 rupee and 5 rupee, you will get a 4 rupee profit, right? Then that's what we need. That means it is a buy call in an uptrend. And if you buy in this for 5 rupees and sell in this for 4 rupees, then you are losing 1 rupee, right? Then it is a sell call. In sideways trend, for intraday traders, that means traders who trade stocks and prices in a single day, buying on the same day and selling on same day, can use a sideways. Okay, so it doesn't form a newer high and a newer low, so it cannot be a buy or a sell strategy. It's an wait scenario. Sorry, it's an wait scenario. We should wait till it breakouts. For that, we should learn about support and resistance. I will teach in the next video about that. Okay, now we have studied about uptrend, downtrend, side trend, and trend reversal. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarification, you can comment in the comment box, or you can also message in our Instagram account. I will leave a link in the description in down. Thank you.